Hello, I'm Phil Ernest, and I'm at the Ice House. The purpose of today's video is to show you what it's like to hike at the Ice House in the wintertime, once a lot of snow has fallen. One of the first things you're going to want to do is to get a hold of a pair of crampons. They look like this. They attach to your boots and give you great traction while hiking in the ice and snow. At the time I took this video, there was a heavy snowfall about 5 days earlier. So because of that, parts of the trail on the hike were not as visible as other parts. So please use caution while hiking on a freshly snowed trail because it is easy to take a wrong turn and get lost. If you're unfamiliar with what the Ice House Canyon Trail looks like and would like to see it without snow, I do have a video that I took over the summer. In that hike, I hiked to Cucamonga Peak. Click on the link above to see that video now. If you are enjoying this video and finding it informative, please give it a thumbs up. And consider subscribing to the channel. I post a new video every week. As you can see, the snow can cover the entire landscape. The path over the snow should be well packed, firm, and easy to cross. But be careful. If you step in the wrong place, you could find yourself in snow up to your thigh. For this reason, many hikers wear snowshoes and crampons during the winter months. But the trail is still manageable in boots. Normally, the trail crosses to the north side of the canyon and climbs a series of switchbacks to get to Ice House Saddle. However, when the snow is heavy, many hikers find themselves skipping the switchbacks altogether and just take the direct track right up the center of the canyon. My original plan was to hike to Cucamonga Peak, but heavy and unsafe hiking conditions made me change my plans to only hike to the Ice House Canyon Saddle. To illustrate my point, notice this couple as they struggle to hike up the mountainside. The neat thing about hiking to the saddle is hikers have several options to continue onto either Ontario Peak, Bighorn Peak, or Cucamonga Peak. After a little over 3 hours of hiking in the snow, I finally reached the saddle. Taking a quick look at the saddle with loads of snow on it, it is hardly recognizable. The total round-trip distance for this hike is 7.2 miles. Total climb, 2,600 feet. And the elevation level is 7,632 feet. If you would like to see my playlist from other hikes in the Southern California area, please click on the link above. Thank you so much for watching.